Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to wire wrap a medal. And today I'm going to do an Elsa charm one. They're really pretty and they're cute for your little kids. I actually made this one for my daughter. And you need some chain. The beads in the background are some light blue beads. And they're, what size? I think they're 2mm beads. They're like super small because this charm is a small charm. So you need like around 30 centimeters of wire, and you're just gonna start wrapping it on the base, like on the very top. You're gonna make like around 3 loops. So once you have your 3 loops, you're gonna have a little excess right there. We'll fix that at the end. So all you want to do is keep on passing the wire, and you have to get it nice and tight, because it cannot be loose, because then the beads might like fall out or something, and you don't want to have that, especially when it's for your kids. You want to make sure that they're like really secure. And I'm actually going to use 2 beads per hole. Like, I'm not sure you guys can see it. They have like little holes. So what you want to do is you're going to like basically like just knit it. You're basically just going to wrap it through each little hole. Just like that. And you want to make sure, like I said, that it's tight. That way the beads don't move around and they'll stay in place. And you're going to keep on doing that, adding 2 more beads to each little hole. And this is like simply all you're gonna do like throughout the whole medal. So once you have that all done, this is how it's gonna look. And you're gonna start adding, to close it off, you're gonna add 3 beads. I mean, to close it off, you're gonna add 2 beads, I'm sorry, not 3. So you're gonna do the same thing. And now here, I'm just gonna add 1 last bead for the very center, where you see the little hole, like, it will just be like right there. And there you have it. So now I'm just going to wire wrap this just like I did in the beginning, and we're going to close it off. So here, just cutting it, and that little wire that's there, you're just going to tuck it in and make sure that it's like behind the bead. That way it won't come out or anything. Make sure you apply pressure to it, make sure that it's secure. And now you're going to add your chain to it, just with a jump ring, close it off. And there you have it, your little chain. I actually made this one for Victoria, and she really liked it a lot, and it's really pretty.